Hey guys, I hope you're having a divine time. For those who are new to my channel, I'm Aparna Shah, and for those who've been visiting my channel, thank you so much for all the love that you've given me. So, आज I'm going to be discussing about my childhood memories that I have, and they will include one memory includes my mother, and one includes my father. So, this is like the funniest moment that I remember about my parents, and I thought let me just share this with you. And if you enjoy this, please subscribe because I will be coming up with a lot of more of these memories. I was a very naughty child, so I have a lot of memories, and I thought let me just make a series on the funniest and craziest things that I've done. So this wasn't crazy, but this is extremely funny. So basically, once, and this is not like childhood actually, I was pregnant with Ashrika. I think it was my 7th or 8th month, so I'd gone to visit my parents in Bilaspur, and usual dinner happened, and we kind of slept. Now, my brother used to sleep at the first room, which was the closest to the entrance, and then the next room we used to sleep, and further than that were my parents' room. So suddenly around 2 3 I heard this sound and I got scared because I thought ये सामने वाले room से आ रही है where my brother used to sleep. So now imagine 8 months pregnant, I ran and I thought somebody's entered my brother's room. So I ran, I started calling out his name and he also came because he also heard the same sound. He thought हमारे room में कोई है. So we both came running to each other and I was like, आवाज आ रही है, somebody is in the house. So we both immediately ran to our mother's and father's room and there was nobody there. They were fast asleep. So suddenly again we heard the sound. So we went to the main gates window and we saw कि बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा commotion हो रहा है. So we got scared. We understood like somebody was shouting chor chor and then we heard हमारे terrace पे धम धम आवाज आ रही. So my brother stood there. He's like, I'm just watching. Tell Papa to take out the gun because chor hai. So I ran to my father and I was like, Papa, Papa, chor. So I ran to my father and I was like, Papa, Papa, chor aa gaye. And my brothers told, please take out the gun immediately. Now my father, he is lying down and he had this habit of shaking his leg, okay, like when he's lying down and relaxed. He got up, he's shaking his leg and he goes on, he's like, अच्छा पूछ क्या हो कितने हैं गन्स निकालनी पड़ेगी या हाथ से ही काम चला लेंगे. And I was like, are you serious? Like there is chore, I am shivering, my knees are shivering. And he's actually shaking his leg and he's telling me, पता करके आओ कितने हैं. I again ran back to my brother. I was like, Papa's asking कितने हैं. He's like, उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Go get the gun. I again ran back to my father. And all this with that pregnancy tummy that I had of 8 months. Again I'm running to my father and I told him he's saying उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है आप तो जल्दी से निकाल दो. So by then I heard my brother shouting कौन है. So I thought I again ran to him. So somebody was entering a house and Raghu kind of because we didn't have the gun in hand, so he kind of scared the person saying कौन है मेरे पास gun है तुम. So that guy's like भैया भैया हम लोग पुलिस से. And in that I was amidst that whole scare because I had never seen chore live. So I started laughing. I was like ये चोर है कि पुलिस है मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. And suddenly then Raghu was like क्या हो गया. So they're like भैया चोर थे इस एरिया में. Then he came close and we opened the door. He's like भैया चोर है इस एरिया में. And हमें कॉल आया था. Now they're jumping from one because that's a series of bungalows. They're jumping from one terrace to another. तो हमें चेक करना है. हमने वो पूरा कॉलोनी वी हैव ब्लॉक्ड बट वी नीड टू सी कि वो कौन से घर में ऊपर बैठे हैं बिकॉज वो छुप जा रहे हैं. सो रघु वाज लाइक ओके आप थोड़ा देर रुको वील जस्ट इन्फॉर्म आवर फादर. सो रघु वाज लाइक so my brother's like आप जाओ and just inform papa that this is what it is and the police wants to check ऊपर अगर है कि नहीं. So I again went to my father and I was like पापा पुलिस आई है वो बोल रहे हैं कि चोर छुप गए हैं कहीं पर और they went circled the area तो वो किसी छत पे छुपे हुए हैं. So my father being so sleepy he's actually telling me उनको बोलो अभी हम सो रहे, कल आके चेक करेंगे. I was like, dude, there could be chores on top of our head. He's like, कुछ नहीं करेंगे, कूद के भाग जाएंगे. And I was shocked. I was like, dude, this is not a normal family. We are like a circle of jokers living in the same house. Then any which ways by then पीछे से आवाज आई and police ran. They came to know कहाँ पर है चोर where they were. And but it was so funny. And similarly, when I used to be small, but it was so funny that I till date remember this, and every time I remember this episode, next day I actually asked my father, I was like, आपको डर वर नहीं लग रहा था चोर आ गया होता हमें कुछ कर देता? So he goes on, he's like, बेटा ये आसपास के बच्चे हैं ना, ये they only run around, यहाँ वहाँ कोई चोर हो नहीं था. So that is one experience. Even today when I feel low, I start, going through the whole thing, and I find it so funny. And the second experience that I often got with my mother when I was much smaller, वैसे हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मार पड़ी नहीं है because my mother didn't believe in raising hands at kids, but वो जब बहुत over, I think only I was the one amongst my siblings जिनको मार वार पड़ जाती थी. तो what used to happen was I was a very obstinate child. So किसी बात पे मार पड़ी, अब मम्मा गुस्सा, मम्मा ने मार दिया. अब नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन होता है कि हम रोएंगे एज अ चाइल्ड, राइट? सो आई वॉज वेरी ऑब्स्टिनेट, तो मैं रोती नहीं थी. एंड सडनली आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट गो टू अनदर रूम एंड सिट गुस्से में. सो माय ग्रैंडमदर वुड कम एंड शी वुड बी लाइक, देखो मम्मा रो रहे हैं, तुमने परेशान किया, जाके तुम सॉरी बोलो. सो आई यूज्ड टू गेट वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड. आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, एक तो एक्शन होता है और दूसरा रिएक्शन होता है. एक्शन मम्मा ने किया, शी हिट मी. अभी रिएक्शन तो मेरा होना चाहिए कि मैं रो रही हूँ, तो सॉरी तो उन्हें आके मुझे बोलना चाहिए. अब एज अ चाइल्ड आई यूज्ड टू बी सो कंफ्यूज कि मारा भी उन्होंने, रो भी हो रहे हैं, तो मेरा रिएक्शन क्या होना चाहिए इन द होल प्रोसेस. सो दैट वाज वेरी क्यूट, बट इट वाज समथिंग दैट एज अ मदर शी डिडंट बिलीव इन इट, एंड अगर हाथ उठ जाता था तो शी यूज्ड टू फील वेरी बैड, तो वो रोने लगते थे. So that is one memory that I have of my mother, which is so confusing but so adorable. So this I really wanted to share with you all because these are the kind of things, the old talks when we do, they bring a smile and they remind you of the cutest of things that your parents have done. When we grow old, most of us forget the memories and we kind of forget what all they've done. But ये छोटी छोटी चीजें उन्होंने इतनी सारी करी होती हैं कि आई थिंक दैट इज द रीजन हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमारे पेरेंट्स ने हमारे लिए क्या क्या किया है. बिकॉज वेन यू गेट समथिंग इन अबंडेंस, यू जस्ट टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. सो फॉर ऑल द पीपल, please make sure that you love your parents as much as they did or maybe more when we were small. Love them back because जब वो एक एज क्रॉस करते हैं, they are like children again. Pamper them, love them. उनके थोड़े से अनरियलिस्टिक भी अगर बिहेवियर हो जाता है, प्लीज एक्सेप्ट इट, बिकॉज हम एज किड्स भी तो अनरियलिस्टिक थे, राइट? दे नेवर टोल्ड अस दैट वी विल लिव सेपरेटली, वी विल नॉट टेक केयर ऑफ यू. हम जो भी थे, दे एक्सेप्टेड अस. सो आई रियली थिंक we should accept our parents and any other older people who are around us just the way they accepted us as children. So yeah, that's my experience about my father and my mother. I will probably, if I remember something more about my brother, sister, I'll come up with it. But until then, please share in the comment box whether you enjoyed this or no. And if any one of you have had some funny memories, please tell me in the comment box. I would love to go through them. And until I see you again, have an awesome life and keep sharing your memories.